All right, exciting times. So the subfloor is getting bolted in. Essentially, there's 8 inches apart. Doesn't have to be exact, but it's close enough. And basically, I'm using these hardened drill screws, which are special for the job. It's going to be literally, the whole floor locked down. Everything is going to be so tight. I've already got over here. Check this out. I've already got this rear part done. Listen to how solid it sounds. Listen to that. Incredible. And I've got these specific for the center walkway in the center because just the torsion. And I've got them in the back also because of the movement of the trailer in the rear is a little bit more prevalent, so I've got those for the floor. You can't even see them. Over here, I couldn't get them all in the regular color, but that's what they look like. That's just for this specific walkway area. Other than that, the floor is going down. Exciting times. Excuse me. And on Thursday, we've got a crew coming in to lay down heat. It's a special process where they literally heat up this glue, this specialized glue. Let me show you. Excuse me. Don't worry, I don't have COVID. Not that I know anyway. So this is this EcoFix 25 that these guys at Ultra Flooring supplied me with, which is a heat. I guess the best way to describe it is you heat it up, and that's when the adhesive starts to work, and then when it cools down, it cools down literally like a cement. This flooring was basically put together for me as a custom piece by Ultra Flooring, who makes the Los Angeles Metro and Los Angeles buses. So they do the trains and the buses. So this stuff is literally going to be, like bulletproof. At least that's the plan. Check it out. It's kind of cool. I designed it myself with this sparkles. It's a little dirty, obviously, but see, I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but I kind of